My name is Christopher Ross, and this is my soon-to wife, Alecia Driggers, and we are building in Monroe 2P.
Well, one of the best things, building with Shaw Homes has been being in the design studio, getting to pick out all the little small touches that I know is going to be just in my home, maybe not everyone else was not a cookie cutter, and that has been really, really fun doing. My soon-to-be husband here.
I think the best part of it is just the build itself, building with Shaw and having the, such a great builder give us all these options and things that we can do, the custom touches that we want, even in this type of home build. So that's the best part I loved about it.
Go ahead.
Okay, what set Shaw Homes apart from other builders, in my opinion, is the customer service relations that each individual, from the beginning stages, from the people showing you how the process of the plan happens to get into a build, and the options and customer service on the detailed oriented parts, the custom finishes, the things that they offer. I think their customer service has been better than anyone I've ever seen out there as far as getting with you and going over things.
And on top of that, things don't go, in a perfect timeline like you would hope and plan, and the customer service that they have attached onto that has helped us along the way. Every time we've hit a roadblock, they've never been angry or upset that we've hit the roadblock. They've been right there with us to help us kind of push through that roadblock and has stayed with us and never gave up on us, even though we were hitting the roadblock. So that was like the, cherry on top of it all. So a piece of advice that I can give anyone coming in, after this process or coming into it wondering, what can you do to make it the best thing? One, do your research on what you like, what you love, because when you get into the design studio and you start to build, you know what you're looking for, and it just helps that decisiveness and just helps the process keep going a lot quicker and can save you money in the long run.
My advice would be don't look at just the overall. I mean, you need to really look at the details. You're picking everything. You are picking everything. Say it again, everything. And like from the trim to the colors to the hardware, everything you are picking. So please, as an advice, know what your finishing touches should be or what you both like. It will cut down the time in the detailed, picks and finishes that you get, and help both of you be on the same page about everything. There's just so many things to choose from, and I never figured that it was that much you pick. And if I could give some advice, I'd say definitely start looking at the little fine detailed things. Those are very important. They're important to you, important to your wife, and definitely appointed to your beautiful home you are building.